Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a review of the Soulsfeng heated boots designed for both men and women as a waterproof, insulated, heated outdoor adventure boot. So these boots aim to keep your feet warm in cold conditions. We're going to explore their price, the best uses, their pros, their cons, and their overall value. So let's get to the video. Let's check these out. Okay, let's open up these Soulsfeng electric boots and take a look at them and get them charging up. So they come very nicely packaged. Here's your charging stand. So they're shipped very nicely. That's everything that comes in the box. You get the boots, you get the charging stand and the adapter, and you get your manual. So let's go ahead and get these boots charging up and then we'll test them out. The Soulsfeng heated boots are priced at $159, which is more than reasonable given their advanced features that they offer. Be sure to check out the link in the description below. These boots also offer wireless charging. They take 4 to 6 hours to get a full charge, and they offer 3 heating levels. So when you order these, they do give you some instructions. Tells you how they function, how to turn them on. But as far as charging goes, they've got these little wireless pads, and you insert these pads into the base here. So we're going to go ahead and do that really quick. So it looks like you take the base. You can see these little wireless pads here. So you push them into the base, and then the cords go through the side like that, it looks like. And do the same with this one. Push the little charger into the base plate here. Just kind of like that. And then you can see the wire kind of comes through the side. Make sure they're flush. They've got little cooling fans on the bottom of them. Disperse the air. Make sure everything's flush, and you can peel off the sticker once you get everything flush and mounted down correctly, just like that. Then their adapter has the 2 ports on it. You can plug each of your USBs into your adapter here. It conveniently comes with it. Get those all plugged in. Get that plugged into your wall. Now we have a place to set our boots and get those charging. I'm going to set the first boot right here. As you can tell, you get a little red light on the side right there. It means that we're charging up. You can see that light. Get our other boot. Same thing, just set it right on your charger. A light or indicator comes on, indicating that we are charging. Okay, so we're going to come back once these are fully charged, and we are going to test these out. Okay, when your boots are fully charged, your lights go off on the sides of the boots, or on the sides of the charger. So you'll notice lights are off. Means these are fully charged and ready for some use. Let's check them out. These boots offer 3 heating levels. So we're going to go ahead and turn them on. So you long press, you get green. That heating level goes up to 108 degrees. Press again, you get white. That'll go up to 124 degrees. Press again, you get blue. And that takes you up to 144 degrees Fahrenheit. And then long press again, and it shuts it off. So these boots are made with cowhide leather. So check that out. That is leather right there. They also have the rubber sole for anti-skid effect. And be sure and check out the link in the description below where you can find where to buy these. Another thing to note is these boots have the Velcro right here, and they have the zipper, so easy on and off. And they've also got this really soft felt right here on the inside of the boot. Check that out. Easy on and off. These boots are ideal for working, for hunting, for outdoor adventures, for riding. They can also be used for casual or formal occasions thanks to their stylish design and functionality. Their waterproof and insulated features make them suitable for snowy or icy conditions in just about any cold weather. Alright, time to put these boots on, test them for comfort and fit, and then go wear them out on some adventures. Got some paper down in here. Now they do have a zipper on the side. I'm not going to bother with this zipper. I'm just going to see if I can slip them on. Now normally I take a 9.5 and these are a 9, and they're a perfect fit. Like my toe is just barely at the end. And they feel really, really good. Like they're not tight. That's actually a perfect fit. Finish lacing them up here really quick. Can I turn this boot on? Long press. That boot is on. Rinse and repeat. Notice you might want to wear a little bit longer sock with these, long thin socks. Foot slides right in. Like I say, I'm normally a 9.5 and these are 9s, but this is actually a perfect fit. That feels really good. I'm going to go ahead and turn this boot on. Boot's on, you can see that. I'm going to pull my Levi's down over the top of the boot. And these are on, and they feel really good. Okay, there's a little bit better look at the boots. Just walking around in them. They're very comfortable. They got really good feel to them. Alright, let's go out, ride some four-wheelers, do some hiking. And check them out. And these things feel so nice. I love them. I don't know if you can see them. Got them on. Got them turned on. I don't know if you can see the light. But off I go. Put them through the paces, right? So these boots are getting nice and warm. I've been riding on the four-wheeler here for a while, and they are definitely nice and toasty, and they are very comfortable too. Alright, time to go over some of the positive points of the Soulsfeng heated boots. Alright, positive point number 1, these boots come with wireless charging, and they come with wireless chargers, so there's no batteries to hassle with. Positive point number 2, there's 3 comfort settings, low, medium, and high. Just pick your setting and off you go. Number 3, they made these boots with safety and comfort in mind. You've got the cowhide leather, you've also got the rubber anti-skid bottoms here, and then you've got the really super soft inside of these boots. And don't forget the zipper side, the easy on and off. Positive number 4, user-friendly features. You've got your switch built in right on the side here. You've also got your 3 settings, and you've got your easy sizing for these boots that fit most people. Positive number 5, this is just a great looking boot. It's got this versatile design. You can use it for just about every outdoor adventure you can think of. You don't have to activate the heat if it's, you know, a decent day out there. you can still just use it for a great hiking boot. It's also that lightweight design, so even though it is heated, it's not a heavy boot. Alright, time to cover some of the drawbacks of the Soulsfeng heated boots for men and women. Drawback number 1, battery life limitations. The battery lasts 3 to 4 hours on the highest heat setting, which is your blue setting, and 4 to 8 hours total use depending on the level. So this may not cover extended outdoor activities without recharging, especially in extreme cold where higher heat level is needed. Drawback number 2, not a deal breaker, but the charging time is 6 hours to get a full charge on these heated boots. Overall, the Soulsfeng heated boots are a great choice for keeping your feet warm during winter activities with their adjustable heating and comfortable design. I'm going to have to give these boots a 4 out of 5 stars and a big 2 thumbs up just because of the strong performance and the great design. I'd go out and pick up a set right now if you're thinking about it and you just need to keep your feet warm. That's my review on these boots. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Be sure and check out the link in the description. Also check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.